Welcome to 46 Solent Drive here in Darcy, Lever. Got a lovely home to show you here. 2 double bedrooms, 4-piece bathroom suite, slightly extended with a conservatory at the rear as well. Lovely spot, grass verge in the front. All you can hear pretty much are the birds singing. It's close to many local amenities, schools, great for commuting as well. You see the front of the property here, got a low maintenance, block paved garden. Let's go in and take a look at this lovely home. Welcome into 46 Solent Drive here in Darcy, Lever. So we stood here within the porch. We've got a door which leads into the lounge area here. Lovely wood panelling, as we can see when we walk in on the left hand side. And we've got some LED strips which are there as well, which really do add to the effect. Wood beam effect to the ceiling as well, which is lovely. Media wall with the inset fire, the TV. Really is a lovely home this. Got laminate flooring. I do believe, according to our client, that throughout the floor there are tiles below. Again, it's nothing which we've seen, but there is, if somebody wanted to expose those, they could do. Lovely front room, radiator just there, and also under stairs storage. And then we come through into the dining area. Again, open up into the kitchen, but before that we have stairs leading to the first floor. Again, another vertical radiator there, so very modern indeed. And we turn around and plenty of room for the dining room table. And then we have this lovely kitchen. We've got a range of fitted wall and base units here with the extractor fan, gas hob, electric oven, integrated dishwasher, integrated fridge freezer, integrated washer dryer. All super. And of course a stainless steel sink with mixer tap and drainer, and inset lighting within the units, as you can see there as well. From here we move into the conservatory. Decent sized conservatory. Laminate flooring here, double glazed windows. There is one window which you will see, or a couple of windows which have blown, which can be sorted, but it really is super size. Right, let's go and have a look at the first floor. So we take the stairs from the dining room all the way up to the first floor, and we've got 2 double bedrooms here, which are super. So the one at the front, as you can see, we've got fitted wardrobes, radiator just there, plenty of fitted wardrobe space there, a double glazed window right there over to the front. Rear bedroom, again, it's another double room, fitted wardrobes, again, all throughout this length of the wall. And one thing I do want to show you actually, because the boiler is in here, it's actually a modern Worcester boiler, as you can see there. Lighting's not great, but it's a modern design of Worcester. Back onto the landing, we've got a storage cupboard, radiator, and loft access just here. But to the left of ourselves we have a 4-piece suite, which is great. So we have the corner bath, vanity unit with inset sink, WC, and the walk-in shower cubicle. Caters for everybody's needs, all nicely tiled. Really good home. Right, let's go and have a look at the rear of the property. So here we are at the rear of Solent Drive, and we have just stepped foot out of the conservatory. Got a low maintenance artificial lawn here, and then we have a gate which leads us to this super decking area. As you can see, there's 2 or 3 steps up. We've got inset lighting there as well. Plenty of space to sit, not just there but here at the back, to enjoy those sunny days which we do occasionally have here in Bolton. Lovely home, and as we turn round you get to see the property and the conservatory there. Gate to the rear. This is very, very handy, of course, because we just open the gate and we walk round to the left. Great area, obviously, as you can see, for bins. And if we keep walking round, we do have the garage for the property just here, the black one there. Lovely, lovely home, set in a really quiet area of Darcy Lever. Property well presented throughout, perfect for somebody looking to downsize or for a first time buyer or young couple. Really is very nice indeed. So any further information and indeed to arrange a viewing, please contact ourselves at Cardwell's Estate Agents in Bolton on 01204 381 281.